phong khô
nhung thua
นี่ก็เจียนเนี่ยเรียบจำเธอก่อสร้างซีโบดังปิดดาวโดยดาวสับจิตหายมาเจ็ดสิบกว่าสร้างนะบ้อง
มาเจ็ดสับไปสับเทีย
ไปสับร้อยจ้ะ
ยืนเราดักขบายไหลดิยืนส่วนดักขบายไหลดิให้ดักด้วยสิ่งนี้ไอ้ไหลเลยนะให้นั่งโรยเบาไอ้แทนเตียอย่าง
กระมังมอไปสักไม้อะกระบะ
ไปให้กิโลกระมังมอไปสักไม้ดักให้ยืนคือคลักอะไรดิเคยหยิบดอกซัน
มอมคือมอมหรอ
ยังคือม่วงถ้ายืนอะไรนี่คือบ้านที่อะไรนี่อะไรพลอยลอย
ซังยูไอ้บ้อง
ยมซังจับตั้งปีแค่ใบไงปีมาไพ่ผมไม่จริงชื่อจู่ไอ้ยืนซังนั้นก็มาไงซ้ำไงก็ได้ยืนซังนั้นไอ้เก่งไปเถื่อกามันก็ยืนยืนเก่งไปเถื่อกามันก็ยืนซาวปีบริเวณมันก็มันไทยมาคือนะ
อันนี้ก็ไรทอดรูปตัวเองใช่สะอาดเลย
อันนี้ก็ไรตัวยืนลานให้อ้องหนึ่งดักเตาอะไรด้วย
โอ้ปรงดักเต้าปรงดักดาว
ให้สอบเขาสร้างได้ประมาณนั้นเวงประมาณต่อ
ร้อยไม้ร้อยพิษอะไรเป็นเต็มร้อยพิษ
ให้ไตรประมาณนี้ไตรเราไตรรอบก่อนไอ้ที่เอาโดนเนต
ที่เอาโดนเนตยืนที่เอาโดนเนตที่เอาลุยมายืนที่เอาลุยยืนคลาสนะจุดพิษเนี้ยนั่นแหละที่สลันไตรดีได้ไอ้ที่เคยพรยืนจังพอมั้ยที่มุ่งเอาไตรยืนที่มามือพรยืนไอ้ที่มือพรยืนกระทั่งไตรยืนเป็นสมรรถภาพของรูปเราหนึ่งใช่ไหมโอเคพรยืนจะคลาไอ้นี่ตั้งที่ดูนิดไตรเอายืนดูนิดไตรเอายืน
ไกล
นิวยอร์กมาเนาะนิวยอร์กอ่ะ
พรตุยเป๊ะไตรงอบอ่ะไอ้ยังมาเกย์อินสเปก
ยังมีที่ทำในตรังเต้าที่เติมมีหนองอ้วนอ่ะเมื่อคืนนั่งเที่ยวตัวทางเต้าไม่อ้วนไปยืนโอ้เด็กพร้อมใบเนี่ยวันนั้นเป็นการใส่ตัวตึกนั่นไงบางจังเต้ตะเกียบมันไหลเมิดนะไหลเมิดโดยทางไอ้ที่เราเนาะใครเคยอยากโกนขึ้นกันเลยรับโดยรับโกนขึ้นเนี่ยตอนนี้เราไม่ชกตาเลยกินนุ่มตาnhưng đâu đặt nặng sẽ đắp khi là cái sao vớm sẽ đắp khi cái trình đấy thì là ông khai là miếng nhưng đâu khăn trầu
no we go 6 feet down
6 feet down
yeah
อันนี้อะไรนี่เขาต้วนfeet 5 feet ผมมวย feet เชียงนะครับเนาะอีกเพราะตึกยืนนี่ติดคู่กินไก่คู่กินไก่ต้องตึกโพนะแต่นี้ตึกคู่อาร์ตเลยอาร์ตเองเป็นคนกราวหมดให้หนูเตี้ยอย่างนี้ตีนตัวหลักตีนเจอนะเป็นกี่เจอมั้งตัวตัวยูวีเป็นกี่ยูวีมั้งบังหลักตีหน่อยยูวีอ่ะเนี่ยบังยูวี
จบฟิลเตอร์นี่เป็นตบโจตันอ่ะ
โอ้จบตบโจไหนเนี่ย
โอเค
เบสแมนนั่นของเราเนี่ยให้มันเฟอร์ซิสเต็มแล้วยืมอัดนึงทำตะเกียบทำตะโจ้เลยทำตะมวยที่เนี่ยตึกอัดตรีแดงนั้นยืมมดดูมันทำใช้ยืมตึกทางคราวมันก็แบบทางคราวยืมตึกคู่เนาะอันนั้นก็อะไรมันยืมแวนดีจะรับคู่อัดตรีโจ้อะไรเงี้ยทีมคมหมดเลยทีมคมว่าให้มันจริงกับทีมจะคมตรงนั้นโจ้หลับทีมตัวมันจริงแล้วโจ้ยูวีจริงอย่างยูวีต้องหลับตีหรอกอันนั้นสำหรับมันยูวีเจ๋งสำหรับที่ละไอซีที่ละโดยเวิร์มโดยแบคทีเรียเนี่ยไอ้ปันเจ๋งแล้วเป็นสะอาดเนี่ยไอ้จังเจ้าต้องคิดไซโก้ถ้าพูดไซโก้
น้ำมาวันนั้นคือสบายฟุ้งซ่าน
It's like Japanese garden
nhóm cái mũi quân nhau hay dài vậy còn cái lực muốn dừng việc phi bấy à hay là mình có những tầm chung mùi phải tầm mùi
จอกอะไรนี้ปต้องเจอแกก็ได้นะ
đào ban trung bình ហើយយើងនឹងរៀបចំធ្វើនេះធ្វើជូនច្បាប់
អូអានេះ
របស់នេះយើងមិនធ្វើ300ឆ្នាំហើយអត់ទូទេនេះយើងហើយយើងធ្វើទៅ Cedar Wood
ណា
ហើយធ្វើមិនធ្វើនេះធ្វើទៅត្រឹមស្តង់ដារនេះណាវាថាវាអត់ទុកខ្ញុំធ្វើយកឈើធម្មតាមកអាកណ្ដោះកន្លងយើងវាមកខៃខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ធ្វើនៅផ្ទះខ្ញុំហ្មងវាឈើអត់ព្រីដែរដល់នេះអាកន្លងនេះមកវាខៃធ្លាក់បានតែចុះកន្លងនេះទីដល់ខ្ញុំមកធ្វើនេះខ្ញុំធ្លាក់ឲ្យកន្លងទីបានទេយើងត្រូវទឹកត្រូវអីទីជួយអត់ទុកនៅអោសាយធ្វើនេះកណ្ដោះអោសាយ
This is a new favorite place to take picture មកនៅមកចូលកន្លែងនេះ
យើងកន្លែងនេះធ្វើកន្លែងនេះគឺកន្លែងយើងកន្លែងអង្គុយខាងនេះកន្លែងអង្គុយកន្លែងនេះយើងអត់ដាក់កន្លែងអង្គុយទេជុកបងប្អូនយើងមកដល់ថតគឺដល់នេះមានពីរកន្លែងដាក់កន្លែង coffee ហើយកន្លែងនេះខាងលើនេះខ្ញុំដាក់ fan ហើយដាក់ fan ហើយដាក់ភ្លើងផង
បើអត់មានវត្តណាមាន peacock មាន fish មានទេវត្តនេះមានតែគ្រប់
យើងមានគ្រប់យ៉ាងនេះឥឡូវយើងតន់យើងកសាងពីយើងតន់រួចមែនទេហើយយើងអត់មានស្អីមកមើលទេនៅនេះយើងមានទទួលស្ដារមានតែបងប្អូនមានយើងដូចថាយើងមកកំសាន្តអីមើលត្រីមើលអីចឹងទៅហ្នឹងហើយយើងត្រីនេះក៏មិនមែនទូឡាបើយើងអត់ចេះខែមិនមែនគួរទេប៉ុន្តែបើយើងអត់ចេះខែយើងអត់ចេះរ៉ាន់ filter នេះណាទឹកយើងក៏អត់ស្អាតដូចចឹងដែរទោះតែផនតូចក៏ដោយខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ធ្វើផនហើយបើជាប់ជាង20ឆ្នាំហើយខ្ញុំមានផននៅក្នុងផ្ទះហ៎ឃើញណាផនខ្ញុំនេះខ្ញុំត្រីជួយយកចង់បានផនមួយដែរ
ខ្ញុំប្រងធ្វើដែរទូគឺពេលទៅ
ខ្ញុំប្រាប់ក្បួនធ្វើតែធ្វើអា small មិនហត់ទេធ្វើតូចអត់ធ្វើតូចទេបានពីមកឲ្យទីផ្សារ
អូខេ
I give you full free all the full free you want it
okay
I want full free come and contact me
oh I definitely gonna build it now
full free all the free here they have a lot of things
yeah
I can donation anything like anytime that you want noพี่bay tao mới lại thêm full free sao nào
yeah
anh ao free bỏ ôn là để tha trong bàn full free á làm nhiều mất một ao trong bàn full free no problem
yeah មើលគាត់ឃើញក្រហមជើង
ត្រីយើងចឹង
បាទ
ចឹងយកមើលទៅញ៉ាំណា
បាទ
ច្រើនពេកយើងចង់ទៅទឹកគួយទួលឡើងទឹកកាយើងមានអត់ខ្មៅអត់ត្រីខ្មៅហ្នឹងទឹកកាចេញមកតចេះឆ្លើយយីដល់ណាយីដល់ណាតាមផែនគោគេឲ្យទៅលុកឯតែគួយយើងទឹកកាយើងមើលក្រហមមានសបាទ
អត់មានចាប់អីមកញ៉ាំមកស៊ីត្រីហ្នឹងទេ
អត់ទេអត់មានចាប់ទេពីព្រោះខ្ញុំដាក់ខ្សែនេះbut trick
oh okay
ខ្ញុំមើលឃើញទេ
okay
យើងគឺខ្សែទេខ្សែហ្នឹងបើថាខកស្លាយមកវាជាប់តែម្ដងវាខ្លាយ
អូខេមើលឃើញមែនតា
ហើយកន្លែងនោះយើងដាក់នេះដើម្បីកុំអោយក្តៅខ្លាំងពេកតនយើងទៅដល់យើងទុកអត់ថ្ងៃយើងទុកអត់ថ្ងៃយើងដាក់អីshade ហ្នឹងកុំអោយវាក្តៅពេកទៅថនយើងទុកអត់ថ្ងៃ
វា algae
វាឡើង algae
អូខេ
ហើយដល់នេះទុកខាងនេះយើងទៅឲ្យខាងនេះអាកកអីនេះមករត់ខាងនេះរត់មានរួចបើបើយើងដាក់ពេកណាវាឆាបនេះបានវាឆាបមកខាងនេះទេមុនដែលឃើញនេះព្រះអង្គដាក់កន្លែង
ដាក់
បងអត់មានសួរខ្ញុំទេខ្ញុំទេដល់នេះទៅទៅទៅតាមដំណើរទៅឲ្យខ្ញុំកាត់ចោលអស់
គួរ filter
ឃើញ filter ទេខំខ្ញុំទេខំនៅខាងនอก
អូយ៉ា
ហើយឃើញខ្ញុំរត់ចូលទៅនោះចេញមកនេះល្អណាស់ចេញទៅនោះឃើញទេមែន
ចុះពីមុនគាត់ដបូ
យើងមុនដំបូងយើងចេះដើរនៅលើ
អូខេឥឡូវធ្វើ
អត់ដឹងថាស្អីនៅខាងក្រៅ
អូខេ
យើងមើលទៅយើងអត់ដឹងថាស្អីនៅខាងក្រោមនោះឥឡូវដឹងហើយណាឃើញទេមែននេះហើយមែនឃើញលេងនេះ
Wow, and it.
You see the pipe
And you did.
deal wall how
You did this?
yes
Wow.
did all that
បងស្រីក៏មកជួយដែរឃើញខ្ញុំឃើញថតយកយកអីគាត់មកជួយ all weekend
គាត់ជួយ
Yeah. Wow.
គាត់ជួយធ្វើប្រទេស design អីគាត់កំពុងរត់អីពូខ្ញុំមិនខ្ញុំរត់ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹង
អរគុណបងទាំង
ហើយ
ពីរ
យើងធ្វើយើងមើលយើងអត់មានប្រើ glue ណា
Wow.
បាន
ឃើញកន្លែងតពីធុងទៅមួយធុងហ្នឹងណាខ្ញុំអត់មានប្រើ glue ទេ
Yeah.
អត់មានប្រើ glue ទៀតយើងប្រើតែតែ
Is this your business? Maybe someone wanted.
ខ្ញុំធ្វើចេះធ្វើនេះទេខ្ញុំអត់ចេះធ្វើនេះទេគ្រាន់តែថាខ្ញុំធ្លាប់មានផលទៅខ្ញុំចេះការដក
No, but if you can handle something this big, you can build it for anyone. Yeah, because
somebody going to build for somebody 100,000
yeah.
they not gonna yeah $100,000
Make a, yeah, most pond is like half of it. Yeah. Probably right here, yeah.
តានោះក៏ថាធ្វើខាប់ដល់$100,000 តែគាត់ដូរសិនពីសឲ្យខ្ញុំនៅញូវយ៉កតែជិត Morris Town ជិតញូវយ៉កជាង Morris Town វាពី Morris Town នេះជិតនេះមួយ Morris Town នេះជិតញូវយ៉កជឿស៊ីដែរណាគាត់ deal $100,000 ដែរ equipment គាត់នោះគាត់ឲ្យខ្ញុំមកទាំងអស់នោះក្នុងនោះគាត់នៅកធុងមួយ$5,000 សម្រាប់នេះសម្រាប់ filter គាត់មាន2ហើយជា6 7 pump នៅក្នុងនោះ
Well, after you finish this, tang is it might be advertisement. new business. New business. Uh-huh.
This is the first time I did it. First time ខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ធ្វើហើយពីបូខ្ញុំធ្វើនៅផ្ទះខ្ញុំខ្ញុំទិញមកស្រាប់
ខ្ញុំចឹងដែរទៅ Costco
ខ្ញុំទិញមកស្រាប់តាខ្ញុំមកដាក់មកពី Costco ហ្នឹងណាហើយដល់នេះទៅ
អូគាត់មាន idea project គេធ្វើ spin ទៀតណាលយ pond with the pond here spin កន្លែងកណ្ដាលនេះអាចដើរឆ្លងសងខាងទៀតស្អាតហើយមកស្អាតហើយ
ហើយនេះ
Look at the peacock so romantic and relaxing កន្លែងស្អាតណាស់ Yeah nice Yeah peacock
អាហ្នឹងដេកតែហ្នឹងឯង
Oh
ជុកតែដេកតែហ្នឹងដែរ
Oh
វាអត់ទៅណាទេ
It's his house here and if a male peacock look at the beautiful tail
ដែលដើរអីដូចសម្រាមស្អីៗមកចូលក្នុងនេះចូលក្នុងនេះហើយបានចូលទៅឯណោះចូលក្នុងនោះកន្លែង filter មួយទៀតអានេះផំទាញទឹកទាញរហូតទៅនោះយេដើម្បីទាញទឹកគេចូលអា filter យើងមកយេទៅហ្នឹងទៅចេញមកវិញចូលទៅ UV ចេញទៅស្អីដល់ខ្ញុំប្រហែលខ្ញុំថែមិនយូរនេះនេះរាប់មើលណានេះរបស់នេះទិញ5,000ទៅ7,000
វត្តដើមគ្រប់ម៉ាក់ផ្លែល្អ
ផ្លែផ្លំនេះ
ផ្លំ
ដើមផ្លំនេះលោកដកចេញព្រោះមានទឹកដើមអត់ផ្លែផ្លំ
ផ្លំដូចខ្ញុំដែរខ្ញុំចឹងដែរ
មានដើមដែរផ្លំមានទឹកដើមដែរ
អូច្រើនណាស់
ឈ្មោះបាន
បាទបើកអូខេ
Alright.
នេះព្រីមនេះល្អដល់ហើយ
Mình take care ដូចយើងហងយើង take care រងមកមកគឺផ្លែមួយ
អូយល្អមែនទេខ្ញុំគ្មានផ្លែសាដល់ប្រហែលឆ្នាំហើយ Oh my god look at that អូមែនទេនេះផ្លែឡាបាក់មេឃនេះណាគ្រប់កន្លែងនេះពីលើដល់ក្រោម